Every time my back turns toward you, then do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh man, this is 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my.
Oh gosh, not too close.
12, 10.
That is the
my strategy. I'm going to put my head down and then I'm going to run around the stick so that way I can win. Alright. You got to press on record.
1, 2, 3, 4. Look down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Head down. 10. You're already at 40 seconds, bucko. That's a 5-second penalty for stepping on the couch.